We're on.
Hi, my name's Dave. This is my good friend Barnsley.
Hello there, and how are you?
We are going to cause havoc.
We found a leak. But where?
We found a big leak.
It's going to make the job in jeopardy, it is. Double. Oh, it's hanging, it's there.
Right, I'll give him a bell now.
Give him a bell. Let's see what they say. Let's go and get fucking Fatty as here.
Hey, mate, are you busy?
I'll speak.
Oh, I just wanted to come down and look at this. Oh, of course. Well, I found a bit of a leak, mate, and it looks pretty bad.
Where is it?
It's near where I'm working now. So if you come and meet me where I'm working now.
Where are you working?
You know where I'm doing that kitchenette?
Kitchenette?
Yeah,
Snack area.
That snack area. I just,
Oh, no, the planet.
yeah, just come and have a look at it first before. I just need your opinion on it.
Alright, mate.
Right.
Hold on a minute.
Cheers, Sean. Right.
Here, Johnny. Are you getting in on this? We've just rung John up. We've just rung Sean up because we found a bit of a leak.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that. Fucking hell, that is
I don't know. Fucking, I don't know how we're going to get over this.
Quick, get a bucket.
Get a bucket, he says. John says get a bucket. What does everybody else think?
Fuck it.
Quick. I hope it comes very quick. It's a fucking serious leak, that. Because it's hanging there all on its own.
A leak, mate.
A leak? Alright.
What's that, Sean?
I knew he was doing that. What do you think to leak then, Sean?
You don't right, don't you?
That is a fucking classic, that.
Fucking face.
Get away, work!
I've been laughing my little ass off all morning thinking I'm going to get...
He's eating like that. What the fuck are you doing? Like I said, we've got a leak, I'm going to tell Sean. I was with him when you rung him. Fucking classic.
Well and truly, lads.
I'll fit quality.
And good night.
I couldn't find any leaks at first.